Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and today on Quick and Easy Meals with Honor of the Grace Life DIY Decor and Home and Decor, and Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Jeans Decor and more. This is Quick and Easy Meals, and today it will be surely quick and very easy because it's hot here. When I say hot, it's over 108 degrees. So what I did, I want to share something with you to let you know what I did. Now, I found these at Walmart, and they are Shaq's 100% Angus half-pound patties, okay? And I always look at the ingredients because I really want to know what I'm eating. And if you could see, it says ingredients, Angus ground beef. That's all in these burgers. I was so happy, so happy about just 100% Angus ground beef. See right there, it says Angus ground beef. That's all this is. But it is a half pound 100% Angus beef. Now, I went on ahead and turned the oven on earlier because I do mine in the oven or either on the grill. Burgers cooked in a skillet, to me, it's not good. I mean, everybody has their way of cooking them, but for me, it's not good. So what I did was went on ahead and cooked these burgers in the oven. And it four big burgers come in here. Y'all, when I say four, these things are big, huge. So the oven take it down a little bit. So let me show you what it looks like once you cook it in the oven. And I have washed my hands, but I'm going to pick this up with a knife. And this is what it looks like. I had put it in the refrigerator so we can eat off of them. See how big that burger is? And I can't eat that whole burger. So what I did, I took the knife and cut mine down, like you slicing a cake. I cut it down and I ate half. And this is my other half. Look how big that just half is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make me a burger. And that's going to be my quick and easy meals for today. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the microwave and let it get a little warm. This is my plate. I had one burger on it so I'm going to heat this one up. So just hold on while I heat this up. I put it on 1 minute, but what I normally do is cut it off in between halfway because I want to see that it doesn't get too tough. Microwave can make your meat really tough. I flipped it halfway. And what I'm going to do when I get through with that, I'm going to take, put that there. I have some juice that I saved off that burger too. You see this? I'm going to go down in here and get some of this. This is what I'm going to get out of here to put on my burger right here. And while it is heating up, I'm going to take some of this over to the microwave and put on my burger. And I'm going to set it again for 30 minutes. Now, I'm going to take this and put this back in the refrigerator because for me, that's 4 more burgers because I cut them in half because they're so thick, see? And that's 4 more burgers for me. And before the day's over, I'm going to cut them and wrap them in aluminum foil and put them in the freezer because they will be good for lunch. Now the 30 seconds is over. Mm. Woo, these burgers are so good. This comes out of the microwave like that. You see, I got my little juice that I put on top of it. So now I'm going to make it. All I want on my burger is some mayo. And I'm using reduced fat mayo with olive oil. I'm going to clean my spoon off. And I love mayo. I'm so sorry. I love mayo. And I'm going to put the bottom half of that in here. I'm going to put it on like this. Turn the juicy part up that way. And I'm going to take some more mayo. Put it on the bottom half. And I'm going to set that right there. Now I'm done with the mayo. Wipe that up. I'm a wiping person. I can't apologize for that because I love to wipe things. Now I'm going to cut me a little onion. I had this piece of onion left, and I'm going to cut me some onion. Okay. And I'm going to put the onion on my burger. It's so hot, y'all. I can turn my oven on, and my house is relatively cold. But once you turn that oven on and start cooking on the top, it gets extremely hot because the humidity here and the weather put together and the hotness together can make your unit work so hard to try to keep it cool. So in order to keep it cool, I come up with ways I can eat without making my cholesterol go up and also to keep my house cool. So I'm going to cut that in half and look at that juice that's coming out of that too. Oh, look at that burger. Woo! Take a look at that burger. Now, this is the burger cut in half. Can you imagine if I ate that whole big old piece of meat? I would be sicker than yesterday. And this is what it looks like. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's my burger. That's my quick and easy meal. Woo! It looks so good to me, y'all. I'm sorry. So I'm going to fold my onion back up. And I'm going to put it away. I'm going to put my mayo away. Washing my hands. Bringing a clean towel over this way so I can wash my knife down real good. And I always put a little Clorox in my water for my dishes. A lot of people don't like to do that, but I do. Now, I can't just let that little piece of onion lay there. I got to take him to. Lord, have mercy. Okay. And I'm going to have some I'm going to put some red seedless grapes on my plate. Woo! And for me, that's good. This is my quick and easy meal. I have a Shaq Burger that was done in the oven and cut in half, and mayo and onions is all I like. Ooh, I like the bacon and the cheese too, but with my cholesterol acting up, and I will not be taking cholesterol pills, so I do it with my diet. So thank you so very much for looking at my quick and easy meals. This is May Designs Corner showing you how I fix my Shaq Burger, and this is 100% Angus beef, nothing added. It's just pure beef. And boy, let me tell you, it is delicious. Okay, I thank you so very much for looking. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world. No matter what anybody say or how they say it or how they put it, this world belongs to God. And I do want to tell you, prayer really do work. This is May's Design Corner saying bless you. Have a gracious and wonderful day, and the Spirit of the Lord dwell with you therein. May's Design Corner saying, adieu. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Jean. And thank you, Deborah. Adieu.